What's up, Moultrie gang? We got some new decals in, and I am getting ready to install them on hubby's bike. As you can see, mine are already on. I did have a acid yellow YouTube icon here. I switched it out for red and yellow just to make it pop more, so everyone knows what it is. Everyone knows the YouTube logo. So I wanted it the actual color, so I did switch that out. I did get hubby's though, so it came from Mystic B Customs, and if you can see, it comes in a strip. But to get it to here, I'm going to actually cut it into pieces by word. So I'll get that started, but before we apply it, I'm going to show you how to properly clean it. It is an easy application process. Doesn't take much. All you need is literally just a clean surface. So we're going to get to that and get these put on.
Control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Alright, so to clean the surface of the front, I'm actually going to use just a multi-purpose cleaning wipe. It's like 70% alcohol. So what I did was also get a bottle of 91% alcohol. This is just alcohol from Walmart, but from some videos I saw, the stronger alcohol percentage gives a cleaner surface. So I just add a little bit of that to the cleansing wipe just to make sure we get a really, really clean surface. You don't want your decal to, bubble up or have any lumps under it because of dirt you might not have seen. So we'll unravel this. Pour a little alcohol on. Don't need too much, as you can see. I ain't getting none on the bike. We just cleaned the bikes, like just now.
Oh yeah, we're going to bike week tomorrow, y'all, so gotta make sure they good.
Alright, so you'll take it and just rub the surface. I'm not gonna clean the whole front, but just where I'll be applying the decals to make sure it is really, really clean. Alright, and once you get that clean and it feels all smooth underneath, you let it dry. Let it dry. So that'll be drying while I cut the decals. I'm going to get those for you. And if I haven't mentioned already, decals do come from Mystic B Customs on Etsy. We've been getting all our decals from Etsy. So as of now, of course, we got these decals here, which is what I'm about to put on hubby's bike. But I also got the Can-Am stickers on the side of the air intake. So some people I've seen taking off the actual Can-Am logo that comes stock and then putting the sticker on. I left mine on. I did not want to take anything off my bike. So I left the stock Can-Am braised letters on here and just added the colored sticker decals on top. It was a little tougher just trying to line it up, but it works. We also got the jumbo Ryker decals. This is probably my fave. We get a lot of questions about where we got those. So that came from Etsy. And I believe that's it.
3 wheels.
Oh, the 3 wheels down that
Brandon.
everybody be asking about.
Brandon
From the Lincoln Family VEVO.
VEVO.
If y'all ain't following them, make sure y'all go follow them. That's fam there. That's Ryker fam. They're making great videos, and I mean
great content.
He got 360 view. You can turn the phone and see whatever you want while he riding. I love it. Much love to them. Make sure you go follow them. Ashley D, she also asked where the 3 wheels down stickers come from. Mystic B Customs on Etsy. I'm telling you, we get all our stickers from there. But I will say There is one more person that does decals I must shout out, and that is Mr. Stitch It Up, aka Retro Ryker. He has decals as well, so if you follow him on Instagram and Mr. Stitch It Up, you will see his decals. I know he has some of the Can-Am decals here, and probably some other stuff. So much love to him as well. That's Ryker Fam too. So make sure you follow him. Get what you need. All right, so you will take my just normal scissors here, and just gonna cut right in between the letters, being sure not to cut the letters because I don't think I would be skilled enough to put it back together. All right, so I got 3 pieces here. I'm gonna put the scissors back so I don't put the hole in nothing.
Ain't she fine, y'all? Look at her. Got the tats and everything shown. Yeah, she's sporting the Crocs tonight.
Oh, yeah, y'all. I love my Crocs. They comfortable. Y'all better get you some. But don't ride them on the Ryker. Not that I've done it, but don't do it.
She almost did. If y'all looked at the first video.
Almost.
Or the test ride with the stock exhaust and the trail.
That's what you got a husband for, to tell you when you need to go change.
That's what you got a wife for, to tell you everything.
Yeah. All right. So if you hold this, baby.
Of course.
You can. First one I'm going to put on is the YouTube logo, because I want to kind of get that one centered. And then kind of center all the other decals off of it. All right, so that first one is going to go here. Just make sure it's lined up and rub it. That was on there good. Next, oh, you got it. The D. Let me get the D. The D. All right, so we're going to put the D on. And just kind of be careful when you are peeling these off, because the letters tend to want to stick to the blue part, which is the backing that needs to come off. So if one side is coming off, just switch to another. Or if it starts to do this, just kind of bend it and pick it up. Like that. That way you aren't getting the letters like out of order or anything like that. Alright, so next one I'm going to line up right under here. Making sure it is centered and as straight as possible.
I'm trying to get it, but she got that shoulder in there, y'all. You see how thick she is. Look, got that shoulder all in there. We know you went to the gym this morning up here trying to flex. I'm trying.
You like that shoulder?
No, I love that shoulder.
Amen. All right, let me get the Moultrie. That is us. Gang, 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 gang. All right.
Of course, same
it comes
process.
Up pretty easy. Look, not the L.
She didn't messed up. She would mess up on mine, y'all.
No, I did this on mine too.
Mm-hmm.
It happens, baby. It happens.
Where's the proof?
In God's eyes. God's eyes. You just gotta make sure it sticks. There you go. Don't want to peel up no lettuce. All right. So we're gonna line this one up next. I think I had the L. Yep, right here. And rub that baby on. Now these don't have to stay on that long. I'll probably say maybe 30 seconds to a minute, maybe. As long as you apply good pressure to it.
That pressure.
It ain't going nowhere. Nada. But by the time I put them all on, I'll just start peeling the tops off from top to bottom.
The
And the last one.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang. Gang. Oh, gang want to be a little difficult. Let me start on
Show them what you do when you become a little difficult.
The little G. Go to the other side. Look, it want to come up with paper. Hold on now. I know I told y'all this was easy. I don't want y'all to think I'm lying. Hold on.
If y'all don't trust yourself to do it, if you're in the local area or any nearby, let wifey do it for you.
I got you. $2 a letter. $2 a letter. It ain't free. All right. Now this one. Okay, I'm gonna have to just make sure the G ain't touching the paper above. Woo! Get my baby right.
Gotta get me right. Go on, let me show. I gotta show them the full dance. Hold up, what you doing? Uh-oh. Got a little show going on. I think I got $1.
Wax on, wax off.
Yeah, wax it.
All right. And that is how you apply the decals. Now, to give it the finishing look, you'll just peel off that top layer. And just like when we peel off the paper, if it tries to come up a bit, just kind of bend it and make sure you keep pressure on the corner or start on another corner. And just take your time when you're peeling it. You don't want it to come up. I haven't had any come up, but I can only imagine it might be a little difficult or kind of mess the letters up, give them wrinkles, bubbles, things like that. Woo! Yeah. Oh, see? Got a little curl in the U. And that's all you gotta do. Just take it slow. It'll stay. And then after you peel it off as well, just kind of put more pressure on the decal just to give it that extra reinforcement.
Mm-hmm.
Like that word?
Almost sound like a relationship. Take your time. Give it that pressure. Yeah. Take it slow. And it'll stay.
It'll stay.
And give her one of these. Give her one of these. Come on, baby. You gotta show her. Get one of them. You gotta give her one of them.
Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all. Okay.
I'm trying to tell you.
I'm telling you. Mm-hmm. All right, last one. Gang, 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 gang.
Here we go.
Woo-wee! My baby ready for bike week. Yes, you are. Get it, Ghost.
Is she talking to the bike or me? Oh, sound like the bike.
No, I'm it's for you.
Uh-huh.
About Ghosts. Boom. And that is how you apply a decal from Mystic Be Custom or whomever you decide to get a decal from. Mr. Stitch It Up, like I say on IG, he got decals too. So, thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, what you like. Let us know what content y'all want to see. Talk to us. We talk back to everybody. So, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. That way you are one of the first ones to know when we drop a video. Consider it VIP for free. Okay? All right. But thank y'all for tuning in. And until next time, Moultrie Gang out.
Moultrie Gang.